In this video tutorial, you'll learn how to hide the page title in WordPress using Elementor. Elementor is a great plugin to use when you want to create attractive pages on your website. It gives a lot of customization options that make it easier to edit pages in WordPress compared to the default WordPress editors. If you're not using the Elementor editor and want to know how to hide the page title in WordPress, we have a video explaining how you can do that too. I'll link it in the description below, or you can also click on the eye icon on the top right corner of your screen to view the video. So here I have the Elementor editor open. Now, on the bottom left corner of your screen, there's this settings icon here. Click on it. And then here in the general settings, you have an option here to hide title. Just toggle this to yes, and that's it. This is how you can hide the page title in WordPress using Elementor. That's it for today's video. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them in the comments section below. And if you like this video, please click on the like button. If you're new to our channel, hit the subscribe button and tap the bell icon so that you don't miss any of our future videos. Thanks for watching. We'll see you at the next one.